good news and music to our ears na pwede na naming i-let go itong mga ganitong klaseng report, no? Yung pong nasa right-of-way issues, Mr. Chair, meron ding audit report about right-of-way doon sa Balog-Balog multipurpose project. Ano pong ginagawa natin to? Kasi itong right-of-way issue, lagi itong napag-uusapan dito. Meron ba kaming maitutulong para maayos ito? Laging issue po ito every year eh. Itong unresolved right-of-way.
Mr. Chair, i-refer ko po yung question kay Attorney Codal and Randy Alipis.
Regarding po sa right-of-way, as soon as a request will be coming from the Balog-Balog, we immediately file expo if needed, and we proceed, if possible, for negotiated sale po on the, immediately po if it is issued to the legal services.
Okay.
Yeah. Maliit na halaga ito, no? 6.9 million worth and 4 million worth. Bakit sa napakalait na halaga, nade-delay? Tama ba yun?
Your Honor, no, I am Engineer Randy Alipis, no, the acting project manager of Balog-Balog. Usually the delay comes from the lacking documents coming from the owner, no. Kasi kailangan kasi natin yung mga title, no, at saka other documents coming from the DAR, say for example, the DAR clearance, no. Tumatagal tayo doon, no. Kaya nga nagtutulong na yung office natin para mag-comply yung mga lacking documents para mabayaran natin.
So
at yung iba naman nadidelay kasi nasa expropriation na siya, no. Ilang taon na hindi pa lumalabas yung decision. Kaya ngayon yung nangyari, Mr. Chair, dahil nga sa tagal ng panahon, yung nagkipag-negotiate kami, napilitan na kami pa-terminate itong mga kontrata rito. At i-reprogram na lang namin sa mga area na walang right-of-way problem.
Yes, but that affects the overall targets for completion of the project.
Yes, Mr. Chair. No. Also, the area that being programmed will be affected. That is around the total program area for Balog-Balog actually is around 34,000 hectares. No, but the affected areas, no, we are now concentrating the remaining amounts affected by relocation or right-of-way. We are now concentrating on the replacement area. So that bago matapos yung Balog-Balog high dam natin, ma-attain pa rin natin yung 34,000 hectares.
Share your sentiments. Mr. Chairman, at the end of the day, yung pinakaayaw natin syempre yung wastage of government funds. Siguro ano na lang, last point or last 2 points na napansin ko rin po kasi yung report dun ng COA dun sa 2 solar-powered irrigation systems sa Halur River Multipurpose Project. Ano ba yung nangyari dito? At pati yung mga kaibigan ho natin kasi doon were asking us, no? Siguro kahit na report na lang, yung isa na lang po na i-raise ko before I give up the floor. There are 15 completed communal irrigation system projects. Ang total cost po niya 393.99 million pesos. That were implemented calendar years 2012 to 2024. Ganun ho katagal, no? And have not been turned over yet to the respective irrigators association. Ito ho ay nakalagay din po dito sa COA report. May I ask why have 15 completed communal irrigation system projects with a total cost of 393 million not been turned over to irrigators association or irrigation service cooperatives sa region 13 po ito since their completion between 2012 to 2024? May we know what happened here?
Yeah, Mr. Chair. Actually, 2 out of the 14 projects are completed na po or rehabilitated.
The report says 15 are already completed.
Yeah,
So
Ayos.
when you say 2 out of 14, 14, di kulang pa rin. So hindi pa rin ba 15? O baka ang ibig niyo pong sabihin na hindi completed is that 2 were already turned over, sir?
actually, yung pang 15 po is turned over na nung May 13, 2025, yung
So
lingit.
isang na turned over.
Yes, and 2 out of the 14 projects completed and rehabilitated. Ano na po? For acceptance na po ito. Ano
Okay.
po?
Sir, para malinaw po tayo. 15 yung naka-report na completed. Pero sa inyong books, parang sinasabi nyo ho, isa lang ang completed at 2 dito,
Tama ba?
isa lang ang na-turnover at 2 dito ang completed. Tama po ba yun? Para
Okay, sir.
malinaw po tayo. Ulitin ko po sir, para mas malinaw po tayo. Para wag mo munang
Teka,
kausapin
ito pa
yung
muna po.
staff nyo para naintindihan nyo rin po yung tanong ko. Ang nakalagay po dito, 15, 15 ang completed. Hindi lahat na turnover. Yun ang report. Sa sinasabi nyo po ngayon, isa lang ang na turnover, 2 ang completed, at 12 hindi pa completed. Is that
Yep.
correct, Your Honor, sir?
Mr. Chair, i-refer ko lang po dito sa ating core plan. Yung
Go ahead.
report.
Please answer the question.
Good afternoon po to everyone, Mr. Chair. So based on the validation report po of our regional offices, out of 15 po, actually po, they are all completed. So ang kulang na lang po talaga is the turnover po nung mga sa ating Irrigators Association. So as of May 2025, one system po under the Surigao del Sur IMO, which is the Lingig CIS, was already turned over last May 2025, while out of 14, two projects submitted already the documentary requirements. Waiting na lang po for the certificate of completion and final acceptance of the Irrigators Association. While the other 4 po are waiting for the test run result. And the other 8 po were completion for its turnover document upon the finalization of the closing of the financial report.
If I get it right, sir, tama, completed lahat, isa pa lang ang na-turnover, 2 yung about to be turned over dahil makukumpleto na nila yung kanilang requirements to be turned over, and the rest, hindi pa sila kumpleto ng requirements so that you can turn it over. Is that correct?
Nagkakandak na lang po sir ng test run.
Because, sir, you're talking about 2012 here to 2024. So even COA, in their particular report, made mention that the CIS project are exposed to risks of damage, deterioration, since they are not being adequately maintained, monitored, pending the formal turnover of these IAs and the ISCs, Your Honor. Kanino po yung bola? Nasa inyo po ba?
Well, Mr. Chair, actually yung ONM, continuous naman ito dahil nga patuloy naman pa rin ang ating ugnayan sa ating mga IAs. But of course, yung official turnover lamang po ang kulang. But yung sa operation and maintenance, ay nagtutulungan naman po kami ng IAs.
Kanino po yung bola, Administrator, kung bakit hindi ma-turnover? Meron na po ba kayong sagot sa COA report na ito? Kasi kung ako yung COA, ngayon, mag-decide na ako with finality na wala ho kayo ho ang in charge dito, sir.
Sir, refer po natin yung question dito sa ating regional manager.
What's your name, sir?
Mr. Chair, Wituan po from Caraga Region. Ako po yung regional manager ng Caraga Region.
So, where these 15 projects, CIS projects are located?
So, throughout Caraga Region, sir.
Yes, yes.
So, all of that naman po, sir, tapos na po yun. Actually, documentation for the turnover of the documents na lang from CIP to water system. Pero ang sabi nga ni Administrator, for the operation maintenance, nasa farmers na po yun.
hindi na, ay,
Hindi ma-turn over po, Mr. Chair, kasi
naiintindihan ko nga o hindi. Hindi pa na-turn over because documentation.
documentation. Kasi
Hindi pa
2012 pa
kinabangan
po.
dahil may documentation problem.
Magamit na po,
Gagamit na.
nagagamit na po,
Pero
Mr.
hindi
Chair,
na-turn over
because of the
because
documentation.
of documentation which is not in your jurisdiction.
Sa amin po,
So kayo ang may problema. Kailan ang time frame nyo dito?
nahirapan is po, Mr. Chair, kasi 2012 pa po, hindi po, parang nahirapan po kaming maghangkat ng mga documents kasi almost more than 10 years na po
Yes,
yung
but,
projects.
well, that doesn't solve anything. Hindi ba? Are we to take it therefore dahil hindi mahalongkat yung dokumento, tatanggapin na lang natin na dadating ang panahon na mata-turn over sana. Parang hindi ata, what is the solution?
Mr. Chair, if I may po. Based on what we answered COA in our action plan po, the management has established a task force po to supervise and ensure na po to submit all the turnover documents for completed projects. Nonetheless po, this communal irrigation system, nagagamit naman na po ng farmers, only yung documentation lang po. Para talagang may panghawakan sila. Pero nagagamit po yung ating communal
Well,
irrigation.
baka dapat siguro itigil nyo muna yung paggamit para tapusin yung documentation dahil baka yun ang nagiging dahilan kaya hindi nyo dinodocument dahil total ginagamit naman. Di ba? I mean, I understand where you're coming from. It's operational, but the documentation has not been completed. And you're saying, kasi matagal na. Pero hindi pwedeng dahilan yun, di ba? And you're now saying that there is a plan of action,
Yes po.
and maybe you should set deadlines. Unahin ninyo yung pinakahuli na 2012, and then you move forward. 2012, 2013, 15, 17, 22, di ba?
Yes, this is noted, Mr. Chair po.
And sorry, Mr. Chair, all 15 are already being napapakinabangan. Yung dun sa 15 completed,
Yes po.
lahat yun.
Complete.
Napapakinabangan. Mr. Chairman, siguro last but not the least, we have
Maybe we can also ask, with your permission.
di ba?
Yes, COA is here.
He's here.
Where is
Yun
the
nga.
COA?
I would love to hear from COA. Yeah. Sir.
Good afternoon po,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair. Yes po.
Go ahead. Could you care to comment on the 2012 15 projects yet to be turned over? One will be turned over, two ready for turnover, 13
Can I just refer this to management for people? Good afternoon po again, Mr. Chair. With regards to the submitted APMT and upon validation, the COA, based on the status po, it is still not implemented considering nga po na the projects are still to be implemented. And for your information, sir, this is an observation coming from the Region 13. And we are going to request for their comments on this since they are the ones who's assigned and this is under their jurisdiction.
You stand, Mr. Chair, if I may. So you stand by your report that indeed, these CIS projects are exposed to risk of damage, and that yung binabanggit niyo po dun sa report niyo, they are not being adequately maintained, monitored, pending the formal turnover. Because what we are hearing from the leadership of NIA is that it is properly being maintained. Which is which, Your Honor?
Considering that we included it in our annual audit report, we stand by our observation, Mr. Chair.
It's the word of COA, Mr. Chair, versus the word of the leadership of NIA. I just hope that this is being maintained, syempre, for our people, being used by our people,